Hey, my friend, fellow trader, it's Will here with XAUUSD.com. First of all, welcome to the video. So, 20th of March 2020, and the world is in chaos with this coronavirus going about. It's actually causing most countries to go into lockdown, and of course, it is affecting the volatility in the markets, which have been some of the ranges have been pretty crazy. So before we get into this week's uh, trade recap, if you're not already a member of our private Facebook group, you can head over and join that now. It's the FX Professional Forex Signal and Educational Group. Or you can just, if you're watching this on YouTube, just click the link below in the description area. Okay, also if you're new to the channel, new to my videos, just hit the subscribe button now to stay up to date with my weekly recaps, weekly trade ideas that I send out weekly via my YouTube channel, which is starting to grow pretty quickly. I think it's just over 4,000 active subscribers now to the channel, so starting to grow. Basically, that's because we are actually getting people results in how we trade the Forex markets. Okay, so let's get into this week's trades. Okay, so all closed by, personally I'd closed my trades by Monday evening, and this was this week's trading results. You can see trade of the week was on gold. It actually spiked up $100 move. We got out around 1500. Okay, so a $10 move on gold is equivalent to 100 pips on the way we calculate our pips. Okay, and one trade I didn't put in there, I don't think, was Aussie thingy. We actually closed that out. That was actually just minus 70 pips. Okay, so that affects our okay. That's one of the trades we stopped out on. We'll think it stopped out. We closed it on Monday. I didn't put that in. Okay, so that's our actual pip count. Okay, 400 pips on gold. We closed all these by Monday. If you look at the Telegram group, okay, I finally didn't even know you could get Telegram on the internet. Thought it was just a phone app. This is our signal group. Okay, and you can see I advised people on Monday to take the profits, which they did. Yuan actually got 529 pips. Okay, I posted again on Tuesday morning and told everyone that if they had stayed in the markets, that it would be a good idea to actually get out now, as they would have some serious pips. And some people did report they banked well over 1,000 pips getting out on Tuesday. So it was a fantastic trading week. Okay, and just have a look at our pip count. Okay, that we have here. Okay, so you can see since August last year, since we started tallying, we have nearly reached the 10,000 pip mark. While the world is in chaos, the markets are going mad. People are blowing their accounts in these current markets. Using our signals and trading on the higher time frames, we are actually in profit, nearly 1,100 pips for March, and we're well on track for the best month of the year so far. Okay, with I think a week and a half left of the trading month. Okay, so the trade of the week was obviously on gold. Okay, and the reason for this was basically how I trade. You can watch my videos on YouTube how I trade. I basically tell you exactly what I do. Okay, and gold trade, you can see we've had gold has been from left to right, it's been moving up in a nice uptrend. We had this last swing high here to this swing low. Okay, and this is the actual area on the weekly chart that was the start of this move up to create this high at 1700. And actually that's move at 1700 was a reaction at this monthly area here. So it's rallying nicely into these higher time frame zones. On current markets, the way that there's more volatility, these higher time frame zones are going to get triggered and you're going to get nice reactions from them. So that was actually a trade last week that I was looking at, trying to get in and gold at 1705, and it missed out in the trade on $1. But we do miss out sometimes. And basically, momentum of this move coming down into this weekly area, you had this daily inside this weekly zone here. The speed of this move down is telling me that we're going to get a nice reaction in this area, which we did. Okay, it was a nice first touch reaction, and this was the actual trigger move, 1460, and straight from there, more or less rallied up, nearly $100 move. Okay, we got out Monday evening, Tuesday morning, with a $40 move. Some people stayed in and got the full $100 move, but that was a nice trade. It's likely to head back up. If it starts heading back up, you could see it going to the all-time highs here. Okay, so we'll monitor that closely. If not, if this zone gets broken, and on the higher time frames, which kind of govern the lower time frames, like I always say, is we'll be heading back down here. Okay, so time will tell. So you can see another fantastic week. Around 880 pips. Copy clients have to take gold trades manually. So if they haven't taken, basically because my US clients, because they can't trade gold there, so the only way they can trade gold is via the futures markets. Okay, so another fantastic week. You can see in the Telegram group, people making profits week in, week out. We did have our first real losing week of the year last week. And like I always say, one of our losing weeks, it's always followed by a huge profitable week. Again, nearly we're approaching the best month of the year. So fantastic trading week. If you took the free trade I gave you on gold last week, congratulations, you've banked some nice dollars there. If you want to access our service, Signal service, remember we are probably one of the only services out there that actually guarantees you results. If we don't get you the minimum 900 pips every 90 days, we'll simply refund you your subscription fees. Okay, it has to be a minimum of 900 pips, just following exactly how we send the trades. If we don't achieve that, we'll simply refund you your subscription. Even if we make you 800 pips, if we're 100 pips off, we still refund you because our minimum guarantee is 900 pips. Okay, it's ironclad, and the reason we do that is because you can simply see by our pip count since August last year that we are averaging double that nearly every month. Okay, that's why we guarantee it, and we've nearly hit 10,000 pips. So if you want to access the service, click the link below. If you have any questions, let me know at will@xauus.com. And yeah, looking forward to seeing you in the Telegram group. Looking forward to seeing you join the service. Remember, in these market times, control your risk, and you will not get affected. If you're using our signals, you will actually profit. Okay, so click the link below, get involved, and speak to you soon. Well over to xauus.com.